Today we are starting first chapter of class 11th mathematics, that is sets. So what is sets? A well-defined collection of objects is known as set. Set can be represented in two forms, roster form and a set builder form. The roster form is a tabular form in which we represent every element of the set within the curly brackets. And in the set builder form we represent set as a variable and we define it in a line or in a statement. We can also develop a set in the roster form from the set builder form and the vice versa. So we will be doing the first exercise, which is exercise 1.1. This question number 1 says that which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Question number 1 is the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. So student, you are needed to focus on one thing, that something which is finite and which is true for all will come under the sets. Like we have the 12 months in a year, in which January, June and July are the 3 months which start with the letter J, and that is true for all. Everybody, if you try to ask this question from the whole class, so every student of the class will be answering that January, June and July. So question 1 is a set. The second question is the collection of 10 most talented writers in the India. So everyone may have different choices. So for me, the writers may be different. For you, that may be different. So this is not a fixed thing that is true for all. This is not a set. Okay. The next question is the team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So there is a word like best, famous. These all things may differ from person to person. So this is also not a set. Next question, the collection of all boys in your class. Suppose you are 52 classmates. There are 52 classmates in a class. So there are suppose 25 boys. So there are fixed number of boys in a class. It is saying in your class. So in your class the number of boys is fixed. So that's why it is a set. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So we know there are fixed number of natural number less than 100, 99 numbers starting from 1. Natural number starts from 1. So it is also a set. The collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. So he has write fixed number of novels. Suppose he has write 200. He has written 200 novels. So the all the 200 novel will come under the set of his novels. Okay. The collection of all even integers. So it is also a set. All the even integers. Integers may be negative also, positive also. -2, -4, 2, 4, 8, everything. Every integer will come under this. Okay. So this is also a finite set. The collection of all questions in this chapter is also a set, because in this chapter there are fixed number of questions. The collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So there may be different for you there may be different animals which you feel they are dangerous. For me it may be different, so it is also not a set. The next question is, let A equals to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. All the elements of the set are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. This is called the symbol of belongs to, and this is the symbol not belongs to. This is belongs to, this is not belongs to. Let me write it down. This symbol represent belongs to, and this symbol represents does not belongs. So 5. The first question says 5, and there is a gap where you have to write that it belongs to the set A or does not belongs to the set A. So 5 is there in the set, universal set. So we will be saying that 5 belongs to A. 8 is not here. So we will be calling that 8 does not belongs to A. 0, there is no 0 here. So 0 does not belongs to A. 4 4 is here, so 4 belongs to A. 2 is here, 2 belongs to A. 10 is not here, 10 does not belongs to A. The third question is, write the following sets in the roster form. So I taught you earlier that in roster form we have to write elements in a curly bracket with the comma with the each element. So this first question says that A equals to x and x is the integer and x is greater than equals to -3 and less than 7. So A is equals to, so say x is greater than equals to 3 minus 3. So minus 3 will also be included because there is a equals to sign which includes this lower limit also. We will be writing -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will be not including 7 because there is no equals to over here. The next question, B, x is a natural number x such that, this was such that B is equals to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So we will be writing it in the roster form as x is a natural number less than 6. So the natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because it is saying less than 6, so it will include number from 1 to 5. Next question says, C x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. वो कह रहा है कि x is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number है x, वो ऐसा बोल रहा है. और जो sum है उसका digits का वो 8 आना चाहिए. तो पहले तो हम 1 से स्टार्ट कर लेंगे इसको. We will take C. Okay. 1 and 7, 17 will give the sum 8. 2 and 6 will also, 26 will also give the sum as 8. And 3 and 5, 35 will also give the sum as 8. And 4 and 4 will also give the sum 8. Now again we can reverse the digit, like 5 and 3 will also give the sum as 8. 6 and 2 will also give, and 7 and 1 will also give. Now 8 and 0. Because we cannot take 0 and 8 because 0, 8 will be 8, simply a 1-digit number. So 80 is 80. This is giving the sum as 8 and also a 2-digit number. Now the fourth question. Fourth question says D equals to x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So prime numbers are the natural numbers greater than 1 that cannot be written as the multiplication of two numbers other than 1. So just like 4 is a composite number, so we can write 4 as 2 into 2. But we cannot write 3 as something other than 1. We can write 3 into 1 but not other than 1. There may not be any other number other than 1 which we can write as a multiple of 3. Okay, so our prime numbers are like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Maybe 13 also, 17, so on. So as the question says that we have to, x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. You also know what is divisor. Divisor is something which divides this. Here 60 is dividend. Something which comes here is known as quotient. And divisor is something which divides the dividend. So this is divisor. So what can be here which divides 60? So 2, as we can write 2 as 2 into 30 times equals to 60. And 3 into 20 times equals to 60. And 5 into 12 is equals to 60. We cannot write 7, 11 and any other number. So our set will contain 3 elements, 2, 3 and 5. These are the 3 numbers which acts as a divisor for 60. Now next question. Question number 5. E is a set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So we will be not counting the letter which are repeated. We will be writing them only once, not twice. Okay? The letter which are just like T is 2 times here, R is also 2 times, so we are gonna write them 1 time only. So our set will be T R I G O N. O is repeat here. M E P is also repeating. R is also repeating. Y. So this is our set. Now 6th question. It says F equals to the set of all letters in the word better. So the same formula we are going to apply. We are not going to write the letters which are repeating. So B, E, T is 2 times, so we will be writing 1 time only. T, E is also 2 times, and R. So this is the set. Now we are going to switch into the next question. This is question number 4. Write the following sets in the set builder form. I taught you earlier that set builder form is like this. Okay, a form from which roster form can be developed. So this form. So first question is 3, 6, 9 and 12. So we can write it as, first for the writing format, A is a set. A equals, this like the question is also given like here in the set builder form. So like this we have to write. We will be considering X such that X is any variable, anything X such that X is equals to 3. It is a table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3 into n, it is a multiple of n, where n belongs to natural number, or you can write it in any way. There is no fixed format, but whatever you have write, that should develop a set in the roster form given in the question. So that may be anything in your language, but that should be the answer of that set builder form should be the answer given here, the question given here in the roster form. That should match. So you can use, just like I have written n belongs to n, you can write n is a natural number also here. So it totally depends on you, but the statement should be correct. The answer of the statement should match the question. Okay. So we will be writing X such that X is a natural number. N belongs to n. This n belongs to the n. N is a natural number. And since here the letters, there are 4 entries here. Up to 12 it is given. So we will be writing n is less than 5. Or you can write n is less than equals to 4. Less than 5 will include the natural number less than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So the answer of this whole will be this question only. So that's now second question. I hope you will be understanding. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now you will be noticing you have to notice the pattern, the word pattern is going on. Just like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, you can notice that this is all powers of 1. 2 ki power 1 equals to 2. 2 ki power 2 equals to 4. 2 to the power 3, just like 3 equals to 2 ki power 4, 16. So this pattern is going on. 2 ki power n pattern is going on. 2 to the power n. So we will be writing X such that X equals 2 ki power n. N belongs to natural numbers and n is less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6 or less than equals to 5 we can write. Less than equals to 5 includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also because equals to sign. Now the next question is here. Question number 3. 5, 25, 125, 625. 5 to the power 1 equals to 5, 5 to the power 2 equals to 25, 5 to the 3 equals to 125. Okay, so this also is very simple. See, x such that x is equals to 5 to the power n, where n belongs to the natural numbers and n is less than equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next question is question number 4. This question says that 2, 4, 6, so on. So 2, 4, 6, so on. 2 is an even natural number. 4 is also. So this is a series, infinite series of even natural number. So we'll be writing this is D is equals to x such that x is an even natural number. Next is fifth, 1, 4, 9, so on up to 100. So 1 is square equals to 1, 2 is square, 4, 3 is square. So this is the square of natural numbers. So we will be writing x such that x equals n square. N belongs to natural number and n is less than equals to 10. You can write in multiple ways. It's your choice. You can write. You cannot. If you are not writing this, you will be writing n is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 10. You can write this also. Everything is correct. But this should be a set in the roster form. So your answer is correct. Now the next question, question number 5. List all the elements of the following sets. First question, A, x such that A equals to x such that x is an odd natural number. You know what odd natural numbers? Natural numbers odd. So this answer will be, we are going to write the answer in the roster form from the set builder form. So 1, 3, 5, 7, so on is the answer. Second, x is an integer, x greater than minus half, less than 9/2. पहले तो हमको लिख लेना होगा इसको. So minus half is equals to minus 0.5 and 9/2 is equals to 4.5. We have to write integer between these numbers. So integer which is greater than minus 0.5. X is greater than minus 0.5 and less than 4.5. Integer between this range we have to write. So the greater than 0.5 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 4.5 will be up to 4 only. So the answer will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the answer. Now the third question. Third question says that x is an integer and x square is less than equals to 4. We know square of minus 2 is also 4. And 2 square is also 4. Equals to sign is included here. We can also include the number whose square is 4. So minus 1 square is 1 and 1 square is also 1. 0 square is also 0. So all these numbers are less than equals to 4. Answer of all these numbers. So our answer will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now the fourth question. Fourth question says D equals to X. S is a letter in the word loyal. So we will be writing it as L O Y A. Not writing L again. L has been already written once. So it is the answer. Now the fifth question. Fifth says that E such that E equals to X. X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So E is equals to February, April, June, September, and November. Now the sixth question. F equals to X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Precedes means which comes before. Succeed means which comes after. So we are going to write only consonant, no vowel. No vowels. So it is F. F equals to, we know A is a vowel. So B, C, D, not E, F, G, H, I will not be there, so J. So this is the set of the consonant preceding K. Okay. Now the last question. Match each of the following set on the left side to the roster form in the. So this is the, in the side we have to match the roster form of the set to this its set builder form. Okay. So you know, first question. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Prime number, so 1 is not a prime number, so this will be the answer. 2 and 3 will divide 6. So the answer of this is second. Second question says X is an odd natural number less than 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd natural numbers less than 10. So this is the answer. The answer of B part is fourth. X is a natural number and divisor of 6. Natural number and divisor of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 all divide 6 and all are the natural numbers. So the answer of C part is first one. X is the letter of the word mathematics. So we can see clearly MATHEICS. All the letters except these are repeating. So we will be writing only one time. So we have completed 1.1 exercise. Thank you for watching.